7 Little White Kittens. Story by Suneal, Varma. Art by Kiattiyot Kaeo-ngoen. Read by teacher Cierra. 7 little white kittens live in a house. They all have lovely fruity names: apple, pineapple, watermelon, strawberry, banana, grape, and lemon. One day, Tomcat steals their flowers. The kittens are very angry. Apple says, "We are angry. We must do something to stop feeling angry. Let us all talk." They talk, and Pineapple says, "I feel better." Watermelon says, "I am still angry. Let us all hug." The 7 kittens all hug. They look like a giant white fur ball. Strawberry says, "I feel a lot better." But Banana says, "I am still upset. Let's play." They all play with some colorful balls. Grape is still a little angry. She says, "Let's listen to music." They all dance to the fun music. Lemon says, "Sorry, I need to become really calm. Let us meditate." They all sit down. They close their eyes. They all meditate. They all calm down. They feel so much peace and happiness. Thank you for reading along.